Did we just find the perfect hotel in Kyoto? Today we're introducing a hotel that people are calling the best value ever, and the services are basically broken in a good way. The name is Hotel Sui Kyoto Kiyomizu. The biggest attraction of this hotel is the endless stream of free services.
Wait, the room price is reasonable, but matcha, alcohol, and even late-night snacks are all free. Is that even possible? Let's actually go there and investigate for real.
At the end of the video, we'll also reveal the surprisingly low price of the stay, so try to guess how much it costs. First, let's talk about how to get to the hotel. It's only about a 1 to 2 minute walk from Kiyomizu-dera station on the Keihan main line. It's incredibly close to the station, so you won't get lost getting there. The nearby Kamo River also makes the area feel open and scenic.
Wow, so this is Hotel Sui Kyoto Kiyomizu. The exterior already looks so stylish with that Japanese modern design.
All right, let's head inside and check in. Inside, the first impression is great. You can really feel the warmth of natural wood.
Oh, there's an Irori fireplace. The interior really gives off a sense of traditional Japanese culture. And what's that strange-shaped decoration over there?
The decorative design dividing the dining area is actually inspired by a soroban, the traditional Japanese abacus used for calculations in the past.
Oh, near the entrance there are yukata robes and umbrellas.
It looks like these are available for guests to rent. The lobby atmosphere really captures that Kyoto-style Japanese modern aesthetic. Now let's take the elevator up to the guest rooms.
Oh, look at the wall in front of us. It has traditional Japanese patterns. The vibe is really nice.
The hallway lighting is calm and subtle, giving it the feeling of a quiet adult hideaway. So, what will the room be like?
Using the key card, and we're in.
Let's turn on the lights. The room is, wow, extremely clean. There's a clear Japanese-style atmosphere, and it feels very comfortable for a stay.
Come on, show me everything in the room.
Easy there. One thing at a time. First, I want you to look at the amenities.
The paper packaging already looks stylish. What's that one?
This is a cotton body towel. It's made from 100% cotton, and it's designed to be environmentally friendly. Next is the toothbrush. The handle is made of bamboo, so it's very lightweight. And here's the hair comb, also made from natural bamboo, giving it a warm and natural feel.
It looks durable and hard to break. It has a nice presence to it.
And finally, the razor. The handle is also made of bamboo. So the amenities all share a Japanese-inspired design theme, using bamboo and eco-friendly materials.
They're almost too nice to throw away. I'd want to take them home as souvenirs.
Now let's check out the bathroom area. When you open the door near the entrance, you'll find the toilet. The seat opens automatically, and the seat is always warm, very comfortable. The bath towels are stored on the shelf above. Next to it is the shower room. There are two types of showers, an overhead shower and a regular handheld one. Just be careful. The water starts out cold at first. There's also body soap, shampoo, and rinse, so everything you need is provided.
Wait, does this hotel not have a bathtub?
Yeah, that might be a bit disappointing for Japanese people who love soaking in a bath, but for many international travelers, it might not be a big issue. Here's the sink area. It's very clean and simple. This green cup here, and this is the light switch. Below that, there's the trash bin, and this is a Panasonic hairdryer. Let's check the other equipment as well. There's a safe, a refrigerator, and storage space, of course. And on this shelf, you'll find the complimentary tea that's common in Japanese inns.
And since there's an electric kettle, you can make fresh tea right here in the room.
There are also multiple power outlets, so the room is very functional.
Are those pajamas on the bed?
Exactly, so you don't need to bring your own sleepwear. All right, that's pretty much the room tour. Thanks for waiting. Now it's 3 p.m., which means it's time for the first free service offered by the hotel, Matcha and Dango. You can receive the matcha and dango in the lobby by simply asking the staff. The service is available from 1500 to 1700.
So you can warm the dango over this irori hearth while preparing matcha? That's such a nice traditional atmosphere. But I don't actually know how to prepare matcha.
Don't worry, you can watch a video tutorial on this tablet that shows you how to whisk the matcha properly.
Oh, I see. That's a relief. Honestly, just being able to have a free matcha experience already makes this hotel worth staying at, doesn't it?
Take a look at this. Maybe the water temperature was off, or maybe it was my lack of skill, but the foam didn't turn out very well.
Haha, as long as it tastes good, that's what matters.
Once the dango are warmed over the irori, you can add mitarashi sauce if you like. They don't heat up immediately, so it's best to relax and enjoy the slow pace while experiencing the service.
This relaxed moment is the best part.
If you want a more professional matcha experience, you might want to visit one of Kyoto's paid matcha workshops. But considering this is free, it's definitely a great service. Now for the second free service. Starting at 5 p.m., there's an all-you-can-drink alcohol service. In the dining area, you'll find a drink bar, along with local Kyoto, sake, and beer. There are also free snacks like chocolate and nuts. Alcohol is available from 1700 to 1830, giving you plenty of time to relax and enjoy a drink.
That's an amazing service for people who love alcohol.
And now for the third free service, a limited quantity late-night snack service. Between 1830 and 2030, you can receive a bowl of udon noodles. Just ask the staff in the lobby, and they'll prepare it for you.
Oh, it has kamaboko fish cake, green onions, and tempura flakes. That's pretty impressive for something free.
The portion is relatively small, so even after dinner it feels light enough to enjoy. All right then, let's eat. The broth is light and flavorful, and the noodles are firm, Sanuki-style udon. Ah, it's so comforting. Even though it's free, the quality is definitely not low. Thank you for the meal. That was honestly really good. And to top it all off, there's even a guest-only snack bar available. Service hours are 20:30 to 22:30. I didn't personally try it, so it's still uncharted territory for me. But if you want to keep enjoying drinks into the night, definitely check it out.
Seriously? You wouldn't even need to go out for drinks.
So we've introduced 3 free services: matcha, alcohol, and late-night udon. I'll reveal the room price at the end, but at this level of affordability, getting this many services really feels like a great deal. My stomach and heart are both satisfied, so it's time to take a shower and dive into the soft, fluffy bed. It's very quiet, and outside noise isn't noticeable at all. All right then, good night.
Good night. Good morning.
Good morning. Let's start the day with breakfast in the dining area. Breakfast is served buffet style, so you can take whatever you like, as much as you like. This is what I ended up choosing. I tried to take a bit of everything. Since they offer both rice and bread, you can enjoy either Japanese style or Western style breakfast. Personally, I was happy to see roast beef and curry on the menu. There were also natto, miso soup, fruits, and desserts. Since this isn't a huge ryokan, the variety is somewhat limited, but honestly, I think it's just the right amount.
When there are too many choices, it's impossible to try everything anyway.
All right, now it's time to reveal the price of our stay.
After enjoying alcohol, matcha, udon, and staying right in central Kyoto, how much could it possibly cost?
The price for this hotel stay was 8,118 yen. With breakfast included, this price in Kyoto is very cheap. Prices vary depending on the season and booking plan, but sometimes it can be as low as around 5,000 yen per person. Of course, prices will be higher during busy seasons. Considering that many business hotels in Kyoto cost over 10,000 yen, this combination of great location and extensive services really makes it excellent value for money. After actually staying here, I personally felt it was very clean and the free services were impressive, so I was very satisfied. There are a few minor downsides, like the lack of a bathtub, but considering the price of 8,118 yen, it's easy to accept those trade-offs. Since the alcohol service is quite generous and there are discount plans for solo travelers. It might be more suitable for 1 or 2 guests rather than families. Sometimes rooms are available even at the last minute, so if you're interested, definitely check it out.
I'm staying at this hotel on my next trip to Kyoto.
If you'd like to learn more about Japan's culture and travel information, please subscribe to our channel and support our work. Thank you for watching.
Earth Japan will continue bringing you the charm of Japan and the latest travel information. See you again in the next video. Bye. See you.